Hello, and welcome to this Introduction to Game Design with Stencyl. I'm Richard Sneed, and I'll be your instructor. On this course, you'll learn all you need to know to create amazing games in a way that's rewarding and fun. Are you a game design enthusiast who's always wanted to learn to make great games, but never had opportunity to? Or are you a game design student looking to take that next critical step in your education, to the point where you can publish commercial quality games? Even if you're a complete beginner who just wants to know what's involved in the game design process, this is the right course for you. Step by step, you will learn all the skills and techniques that you need to know in order to publish your own games to platforms like Flash, HTML5, desktop, Android, and iOS. So don't miss this unprecedented opportunity to greatly fast-track your learning experience and achieve what most have not. Sign up now and start building your own games with Stencyl.